Problem 19. Circle all the equivalent representations of the quadratic function f of x equals f squared. Ladies and gentlemen, please note this is the parent function. Okay, we have a parabola. When x is 1, 1 squared is 1. When x is 2, 2 squared is 4. When x is negative 2, 2 squared is 4. This one is an equivalent representation. Negative 2, 4, yes. Negative 1, 1, 0, 0, yes. And 1, 1, yes. Test. This is the input value. Does that give us the output value? This is the input value. Does that give us the output value? This is x. This is y in every occasion. C. Negative 1, 8. Excuse me, negative 1 is only 1. This is definitely not an equivalent representation. Finally, is this even a function? 2, 0, negative 1, negative 3, none are repeated. 0, 0, yes. Negative 1 squared is 1. 0 squared, let's do this in a more organized way. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. 0 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is an equivalent representation. The only one that is not is this guy. A rectangular fence holds Adam's horses, and it has a length of 4x minus 2 and the width of x plus 3. Find the area of the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied times width. This is 4x minus 2. This is x plus 3. 4x minus 2 times x plus 3. Many of my students like the box method, so we shall do the problem using the box method. 4x minus 2x plus 3. 4x times x is 4x squared. X times negative 2, negative 2x. 4x times 3 is 12x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. That gives us 4x squared. 12x minus 2x is plus 10x minus 6. Can we check it another way? 4x times x is 4x squared. Negative 2x plus 12x is plus 10x. Negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. Do we match? Adam's horses have 4x squared plus 10x minus 6 miles. I hope it is miles. Area equals 4x squared plus 10x minus 6. By the way, on every geometry problem, if you label every dimension, you will save yourself 2 silly mistakes. Okay. Ms. Mullen wants the biggest iPhone screen she can find. Here are the dimensions. When you get to calculus, you will find that you will want to find a maximum or a minimum, and those calculus problems are ones that totally have many practical uses. The area of the phone screen, this is 5x minus 1. This is 3x plus 2. The area of the phone screen, 5x minus 1, 3x plus 2, 3x times 5x, 3 times 5 is 15, x times x is x squared. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. 5x times 2 is 10x. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. That will give us 15x squared plus 10x minus 3x is 7x minus 2. The area of Ms. Mullins' phone screen is equal to 15x squared plus 7x minus 2. Can we check it another way? Well, we always have the old FOIL method, 5x minus 1, 3x plus 2. 5x times 3x is 15x squared. Negative 3x plus 10x plus 7x. Negative 1 plus 2, negative 2. We got the same answer both times. 1 and done.